Hello beautiful people, in this video I'll be showing you how to make money with UserTesting.com. Platforms like UserTesting.com are becoming more important by the day as companies are spending thousands if not millions of dollars on creating softwares and apps, and no one wants to release a software that won't be as effective or as profitable as you want. For example, let's say you have spent $1 million creating an app. You don't want to just release it to the general public without knowing if all the glitches and everything have worked out. So you would visit this platform by the name of UserTesting.com. You would tell them the target audience that you would want your app to use, and then they would find a test group and they would provide your app to that test group, and the persons in that test group would go on your app, they would try your app and see if all of the features are working, or if it's a game, if the game is going without any glitch, and if you can go to different levels and everything like that. That is what UserTesting.com is. And the way how you will be making money with UserTesting.com, you are going to sign up right where you see get paid to test, and you are going to become a tester. So you will be given apps and the latest softwares, and you'll simply go onto those apps and softwares and share your opinion. It's as simple as that, but you will be given a very important task, as these persons are spending thousands of dollars on their apps and softwares and want your honest opinion. Once you have tapped on Get Paid to Test, you will be redirected to this page right here, on which you'll simply enter your email address, and they will ask you some simple questions to see which test group you would fit in. As you can see here, you'll simply apply by submitting your email and take a quick practice test to join our global network of trusted contributors. Then you'll simply browse and answer screening questions to match with test opportunities. Then you're going to scroll down and you can start doing some tests, and from there you'll be able to make money. And let's look at some frequently asked questions. And by the way, user testing only pays via PayPal. So once PayPal is available in your country, you will be able to use this platform and start making some money to simply share your opinion. And it doesn't cost you anything to become a contributor, as you can see right here. Do I have to pay to become a contributor? No. How much do I get paid, and when do I get paid? Reward amounts range depending on the test type. Your test feed will always show you the amount you'll get paid for each test. Payments for completed tests are sent 7 days later. So once you have completed a test, within a week's time, you'll be sent your payment. And you can see here, how soon will I be able to start getting paid to test. If your practice test is approved, you will start receiving email notifications about test opportunities, and new tests are posted daily. As I said earlier, platforms like these are very important, so they don't have a shortage of requests from companies to test their products. But don't expect to go onto this platform and make thousands of dollars, as it will take a while to start making money, and it is a good side income that you can use. And you can see here, what kind of device do I need? You can see they have listed out right here the different windows and the minimum requirement, and you can see if you have a Mac or an iOS device. And also, do I need a microphone to become a contributor? Yes, that would be very important, although it doesn't have to be expensive. As you can see here, here's an inexpensive one they recommend. And do you need to download anything? If you apply from a computer, you will not need to download anything for your practice test. But if you apply from a mobile device, you'll need to download their user testing app from the App Store or Google Play Store. And that's it. As I said earlier, you'll be paid via PayPal. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, as I release daily videos on how to make money online.